Good job, Weston. Good job, dude. All right, guys, it's a Saturday evening in Appalachia in July. We got Weston out here on the turn track. We've been at it all day. Went to the water park, a birthday party, drove the Jeep, played in the pool, and now, of course, we're getting ready to go inside, take it easy, and he asked to come out and ride his dirt bike, of course. And how do you say no when your little boy asks to ride his dirt bike? You just can't. I came out in the Jeep, though, and I'm listening to the race. And how about Haiden Deegan, guys? I'll be honest, I'd written him off. I thought the pressure got to him last week when he had the red plate. The Millville ride, I mean, technically his worst ride was Southwick, but he went down a lot more. He didn't really go down much at Millville, so I'm counting that as his worst ride. And I thought, it's over. You know, he was pressure cooked. But, man, he proved me wrong. He proved me way off base. Comes out and does a 1-1 today at Washougal. And, you know, I was watching, he was behind Cooper, and I was thinking, oh, you know, Cooper's going to steal this away from him. And the burst that I saw him put on Justin Cooper and pass him, and the body language he was using on the bike, and the way he was throwing that thing around and over jumping onto flats and doing all that stuff, that's stuff you do when you're fresh, or like, you know, you're trying to lay down a fast lap or a cool lap or something like that. That's not stuff you do at the end of a moto, just because normally we're all so tired. You're barely hanging on at the end of a moto. That's kind of what Justin Cooper looked like. That's kind of what a few of the other guys look like. That's not what Haiden Deegan looked like. That was an absolute massacre. And I mean, 2 minutes later, he pulled like 10 or 11 seconds on Cooper. Absolutely incredible. So I think, you know, he's just proven with that ride that he is in just as good a shape, if not better shape, than anybody else in the 250 field. And I haven't checked the results of the point standings yet. The moto just now finished, but he's got to be within just a few points of Hunter Lawrence now. And that's great, because this 450 class is so boring. These 250 guys have saved this entire outdoor season for me. The 250 class is really the only reason I even turn on pro motocross on the TV anymore. So thanks, Haiden Deegan, for making it super exciting. And these next few races, guys, they're going to be fun.